Okay, thank you very much, David. So I'm Oak. I'm a co-founder of Valerie as well. I'm CPO. And what we're going to be moving into now is a product launch, as you probably guessed from the title of the event. I want to touch on some context before just launching directly into the announcement. So yeah, first, why have we built this product? One of the things which we strongly believe and touches very heavily on what David was just talking about with the next stage of UX on the web is that crypto is still extremely inaccessible to the masses. You have things like Curve, you have Pendle, you have Aave as examples where these are powerful protocols, but the reality is that the vast majority of people will never have the capability to sit and work out what these things do. On the other hand, you have incredibly powerful new AI tools coming online, things like Sora, entire video generation coming out. You have things like Devin, and what's more, you have a situation that looks like AI is going to get more and more powerful. And I think, and having spoken to a lot of normal people, that this causes them a lot of concern. So as David was just saying, and it's probably no secret if you're familiar with Olas, we believe in the mission of co-owned agentic AI. So essentially, co-owned agentic AI enables individuals to have agents who go out into crypto, onto the internet, and take complex actions on their behalf in order to provide value to them. Additionally, co-owned agentic AI enables individuals to own agents and agentic systems that enable people to avoid becoming disenfranchised as centralized players create tools like Sora, Devin, and others. Oh, that's weird. So with Olas, we've made quite a lot of progress with this. We have an agent which operates within the prediction economy that David was just describing, that anybody can run, technically. The problem that we've had so far is that the number of people who are actually capable of, one, getting the system requirements in place, two, interacting via the command line in order to actually run this thing and understand what it's doing on an ongoing basis is relatively small currently. And so that's a big blocker on the mission to enabling co-owned agentic AI. So we began thinking about this, and out of it came a vision, which is of making it possible for everyone essentially to run and own autonomous agents, to get value from them, to participate in the economy. Concretely, our aims with the product that I'm about to show you are that, one, people should be able to get value very, very quickly from it. And concretely, at the beginning, that will mean people being able to stake and earn Olas from Olas staking rewards. We also wanted it to be magically simple. In comparison to the command line experience, which I showed before, but also just objectively very simple. People should be able to run this thing, turn it on, and have all of the complexity abstracted away and just get that value out. And then finally, we want people to feel like they are participating and actually have control over an autonomous agent. So yeah, with that, we are very happy to announce a new product called Pearl. So Pearl is a desktop app which enables anybody to, one, run an autonomous agent, to stake on that agent, to stake Olas on that agent, and to participate in Olas staking. And then also, it is by far the simplest way to interact and participate in the autonomous agent economy that we've built, and probably one of the few ways to meaningfully run an agent in an operational autonomous agent economy today. So in terms of how it works, how it will work, you will simply need to download and install this app, add some funds, start your agent, and your agent will stake its Olas. And then finally, assuming that your agent fulfills its targets, its work targets, it's working for you, then it is designed to earn staking rewards for you, like magic. So, I'm gonna do a live demo. This is the live app. You can see it there. It's somewhat distorted by the screen, but hopefully you get the idea. I've preloaded it with some Olas, and in the background there's also a bunch of XDAI which has been added in order for the trader to, for the agent to sort of participate in the economy. I'm going to start it, and it's going to work. Takes a few moments. So in the meantime, I will walk you through a few other things so you can see how many staking rewards are available for the agent to run. You can also see that if you need to top up, you can also top up funds. Additionally, there is, okay, nice. So now the agent is operational, it's running. You can see that the agent is working here. And over time, assuming that your agent is doing its job well, it will achieve its goal for the day, and this will turn to earned. You've earned your rewards for the day, and that'll get added to your Olas balance like magic. So yeah, we went for something extremely simple, and that's what you've got. That's Pearl. I want to show you a few more details here, though, because there are some very exciting and important features. So one thing is access recovery. So the whole app under the hood has a Gnosis safe, which means that you are able to add a backup wallet. So if I click here, so you can see that there are actually two wallets added to my main account here. And what that means that if I should lose the seed phrase to my main account, I'll be able to recover it over time. So we want, that robust access recovery to be in place. The app is also completely transparent. So all of the code as of launch, I'll tell you when launch is, but all of the code will be open source, auditable, and public. And finally, of course, as David was saying, we want the entire app to be, not just the app, but also the agent to be owned directly by you. So I can show this on chain, but I was thinking earlier that it would actually be pretty cool to go to our registry, which is where all of the agents are stored and registered. And if we switch to Gnosis chain, which is where the agent in the background is registered, let's see if we have that search. We do not have that search capability. I should have checked that ahead of time. But anyway, if that search capability did work, then you would be able to see that indeed this agent is owned directly on chain by myself. So when is this available, and when will you be able to run Pearl and own your first autonomous agent? The answer to that is Monday, and it will be available initially on macOS. Based on feedback, we expect to want to support Windows very quickly, so if there is that demand, then please let us know. And this will be launching into an alpha phase. So in summary, that is what we wanted to announce. We have shipped a new app, a desktop app called Pearl, which is the simplest way to run, stake, and participate in the autonomous agent economy as it grows. And yeah, I think basically download it, run it, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.